Hello everyone. In this video, I just want to tell something about articles. So in our English grammar, we know that there are two type of articles. One is a definite article and another one is indefinite article. So in articles, what happen? Generally, these three articles a and the are used in a common manner. So articles are used before generally noun or nouns equivalents, and what happened, the definite article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article a or an is used before a noun that is a general or when its identity is not known. There are certain situations in which a noun takes no article. So, the definite article the is generally used before a singular or plural noun. An indefinite article a is generally used before a single noun beginning without a consonant sound. And the indefinite article an, a and n, is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. So for the purpose of understanding how articles are used, it is important to know that nouns can be either count or non-count. In addition, count nouns are either singular or plural. Non-count nouns are always in singular form. For example, if we are speaking of water that has been spilled on the table, there can be one drop, singular, or two or more drops, plural, of water on the table. The water drop in this example is a count noun because we can count the number of drops. Therefore, according to the rules applying to count nouns, the word drop would use the articles a or the. However, if we are speaking of water in general spilled on the table, it would not be appropriate to count one water or two waters. There would simply be water on the table. Water is a non-count noun. Therefore, according to the rules applying to non-count nouns, the word water would use no article or the, but not a. Following are the three specific rules which explain the use of definite and indefinite articles. So, rule number 1. If the specific identity is not known, then what happens? We have to use the indefinite article a or an only with a singular count noun whose specific identity is not known to the reader. Use a before nouns that begin with a reader, consonant sound, and use an before nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Some examples how definite article the is used. Number 1, the Brahmaputra is a river. Example number 2, the Queen Elizabeth is a famous ship. Number 3, the Arabian Sea is in the west of India. Number 4, the Rajdhani Express is a fast train. Number 5, the Himalayas are mountain ranges. See the examples of the indefinite articles a and an. Example number 1, it is an orange. Number 2, he is an honest man. Number 3, my friend is an MA in English. So here you can see that though the letter H is there in the word honest, but how we are pronouncing this word? We are just using and pronounce this word like honest. So here the sound of H is not used. We are just saying honest. So when there is no sound of consonant, then you can use indefinite article an. Again you see another example, my friend is an MA in English. So the word MA, M is not a vowel but it is a consonant letter, but we are just pronouncing this word like MA. It means there is just like the sound of am. So the pronunciation is just like of a vowel sound, ma. So here we can use indefinite article an. Then you can see some other examples like number 1, he is a European. It is also an example of indefinite article. So although the vowel E is there in the word European, but we are just pronouncing the word like yo. It means Y. The sound is just like Y. So yo, Y. So there we can use the word A because the sound is just like consonant. Although this word is started with the vowel, but the pronunciation is not just like vowel sound. So here we can use A. So another example is, he gave me the boy a 1 rupee note. Again you can see 1. O is a vowel, but when we pronounce it, it sounds like 1. W pronunciation is there. So W is a pronunciation of consonant sound. So we can use indefinite article a before 1 rupee. Then another example is, this is a unique opportunity. So the same pronunciation, it means it does not pronounce just like vowel, it pronounces like consonant sound, unique. So here indefinite article a is used before unique. So these are some of the examples of articles. Thank you.